If you've been cooking or baking a lot recently, you may have noticed that some recipes call for a single egg white or a single egg yolk, and then you're like, cool, what am I supposed to do with the rest of this egg? Luckily, I have some ideas. Now, we're not going to waste our yolk, obviously, because egg yolks are wonderful. And we're going to plop in right in a little bit of sugar and salt, and it's about like a quarter cup of each, equal parts of each. Then vary it with more sugar and salt. The sugar and the salt will draw out the moisture from the egg white and also kind of like concentrate its flavors into this super savory, like kind of funky cured puck of goodness. So you can just cover this and put it in the fridge for about 5 days. And then after about 5 days, you'll remove it from the sugar and salt, brush it off, rinse it off, and then you can just kind of dry it in a low temperature oven, like 200 degrees for half an hour, and you'll have this lovely little grateable egg yolk that you can put on salads, pasta. For egg whites, you can either save them in the fridge for up to 4 days and use them in cocktails or meringues or whatever, or you can freeze them to use at a later date. Just pour it into an ice cube tray, then pop it in the freezer. Once it's frozen, you just pop it out of the tray and place it in a freezer bag or another airtight container, and then pop back in the freezer. When you're ready to use it, just defrost in the fridge overnight and add it to whatever recipe that calls for a single egg white.